Hi there, it's Lucky 13 Airsofters again.
Shabam.
I'm Ninja.
And I'm G-Money.
And we're cool.
This is the review on the Echo1 Scar. This is my gun. It's not full metal, people say that, but it comes with 450 round high cap mag and a 90 to 100 mid cap mag. People say it's full metal, but only the upper receiver is, and all the rails, not this, the bolt catch,
this is
anything. Yep, that's full metal.
A barrel.
The lower receiver, everything is not metal whatsoever. It does not come with this scope. Is an NC Star 4x32.
And this is homemade.
You should, if you're gonna get it, then you should get it from San Antonio Airsoft's website. It does have a charging handle right here. It just shows the hop up whenever you pull it.
It is functional, unlike the P90.
Yeah.
This one's functional. It shows a hop up bucking.
It does not lock back like the good
No, that
Scars.
that'd be cool.
It has a monolithic metal rail
On this side.
on both sides.
I know, but you know.
It has a folding CQP stock for CQB conditions, just like that, and you have to pull it down to lock it in place.
Yep. You have to pull it down. See this? I don't know. Alright, you pull it down. There's a little thingy right here. A little thingy right here. You pull it down, and it locks in. And you're good to CQP the audience.
Then you just then you just pull it back down, flips out. This thing comes off super easily. I've lost it once, and then I actually found it.
Super glue and hot glue combined makes a good epoxy. It'll stay on there for good.
Yeah, seriously. Just because if you lose this, you have to order this whole entire back stock, and it's not very good. So
wait.
Okay.
By the way, it was way in the back. I wasn't done. Okay. And it has little rivets here for help your grip. So it doesn't slide around. So it doesn't slide around like this. Okay? Because that would be very irritating and you would look retarded personally.
Yeah.
I've seen people do that. They look stupid. And it's on.
Yeah. It has a 3-position folding stock. And
there's a little button on this side.
Right there.
Push it right there. And it has... It has numbers right here. Uno, dos, and tres. Sliding. Fixes himself. It's kind of stubborn.
Yeah. And whenever you put the battery in, it's
awesome.
not gonna go all the way in.
Yeah. The battery, it'll get like halfway in between 1 and nothing.
Yeah. It comes with this foregrip. Comes with both those 2 mags, and comes with these cool trades right here. U.S. Spec Ops, SOF Combat Assault Rifle, Echo1 16 Mod 0, Caliber 5 56mm, Echo1USA.com.
It's cool.
Echo1s are probably my favorite ones.
I like KWAs, but
yeah.
Alright, this is selecting shit. Come here.
It's fully ambidextrous.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
The charging bolt's only on one side.
You can switch it around. You can switch it.
It is. Alright, anyways. You're selecting fire. Semi, full auto. Okay? Shoots at about 1,000 RPM.
Probably around that.
A little more, a little less.
With the 9.6. It shoots around 390 FPS. And, yeah. It has this flip-up sight right here. You just press this little button. Don't try and fight it, or else you'll just rip it off.
That's what I did one time.
Yeah, don't do that. You just press it, it goes right up. It also comes with a rear sight, but I took mine off just to allow my scope some freedom.
And then on this little thingy, it has this little knob. You have to rotate this around. I forgot which way it goes. This is not my gun, so I don't really
you just
use it all the
turn
time.
it that way, and it just slides.
And it's so heavy, we have it so close up because it's like 8 pounds.
It's a really heavy gun.
It's heavy for a plastic gun.
Yeah, half plastic, but yeah. The flip ups. This is a 3-position sheet rest. It has 1, 2, or see those 2 holes? That's 1 and 2. And right there's 3. But who the heck would need that? You're not gonna.
Well, you don't have a scope on it.
Yeah. The battery is a 8.4 1200 mAh mini type battery. If you're gonna get like a LiPo or anything like that, either rewire it to the front and get a tech box, or get a battery pouch and put it to the back. You can just put it right through this little hole. That's what I'm gonna do.
And also, Echo 1s are not LiPo ready.
Yes, they're
Don't
not
buy an LiPo battery
They
and
will
put it in the
smoke and blow up or whatever.
It will not blow
They'll
up.
catch on
It'll
fire.
melt you.
They'll catch
It'll
on fire.
smoke. It will not catch on fire. It's metal.
But
It melts.
it also comes with a barrel extension. Mine didn't really fit on my gun for some reason, but yeah, it's cool.
It looks cool, so we did it.
Yeah.
Small type battery.
Mhm.
This is a small type battery. I call it a small type battery. It's
It,
not a mega battery. It's
yeah.
not a large type. It's a small type.
it is a small type.
It's cool.
I would just get a new battery. That one's not the greatest. There is a way you can fit a 9.6 in this, but you have to take this off, slip it in, and then reattach it. Yeah, it's complicated.
Nunchuck batteries.
I haven't taken this gun apart. It has no upgrades. It's all stock. Pretty much all our guns are stock right now. I'm planning on getting system upgrades soon so I can get a LiPo. And yeah. It does come with this trickle charger that sucks.
It's poop.
Yeah, don't get it
Put it
whatsoever.
in the toilet.
It sucks. Just
Throw
throw it away.
Ow!
This
That's my little brother.
universal smart charger
Alright,
charges about an hour or so.
Not
It's
for a
pretty
LiPo.
easy.
It's not a LiPo charger.
Yeah,
It will not work.
No.
Again, small type male adapter with a large type female adapter.
Yep.
And then another large type male adapter so you can charge both batteries.
No,
Oh,
what?
also, and here, I did not put this in the
$235.
P90 video. Right here, you can see this. This battery, it drains the battery in... The charger drains the battery in... The charge in the battery. And then fills it all the way back up. And it has a small little fuse in here. So that when it's drained the battery, it doesn't break. If your battery's like really ridiculously overcharged,
Yeah.
it won't break the actual charger
Yeah,
when it starts
'cause
draining.
the trickle charger, it can catch on fire if you like charge it overnight. It can explode. It can like it can melt your
gun.
Yeah, it can melt
It'll
your battery.
mess up a good gun,
It'll-
and it's
yeah.
ridiculously.
It'll just screw up everything.
Echo 1 charges $60 to $100 to buy a new wiring set.
Yeah.
Straight to your charger.
Yeah.
To your.
And you Scars are the hardest gearboxes to get into. So, yeah.
This is the.
Echo1 Scar review. I'm G Money,
Ninja.
and that's our review.
Goodbye.